Let's open it together. Look at this. I'm talking about Opere Classiche, produced by Square. Every single release is a condensed version of collaborations, and this is another good example of it. It includes like 3 cuts. Mi chiamo Ralph, you already know the tune, Le cose belle and Il mondo danza. It's refined, it's driving, and it carries that timeless touch. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Take it all in. This is Opere Classiche EP Volume 1 in a Square. Enjoy!
Ha detto no ragazzi, Antonello non c'è il santo, per cui...